It's our steam leak. We needed to get to our water-stopping ground ahead of schedule. We had to fly. That wasn't going to be easy.
She thinks it's so funny.
Keeping this thing at top speed while going up.
Yeah, Daddy loves you.
Coming through. Traffic news. For the jet. Great